Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Magic Centobio, and today I'm here at Magic Kingdom for a cloudy, rainy day. The goal is to see the Rainy Day Cavalcade maybe. Since it's gonna be, guaranteed pretty much to rain today, so I want to see that special rain parade. That is the goal here. My videos do not represent the Walt Disney Company, and the train's about to go off and we're about to go into the park. Let's go. Look at this. Beautiful. There's only 50 of them. Wow. Oh, look at the water too. The trees. It's all authentic and real.
Red line. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by two of my favorites.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
This is Starport 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket port to distant deep space destinations. Whether you have one eye or nine, take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our People Mover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're...
Space Mountain has no wait time. Let's do it. Over here at Tron now. Space Mountain is not a 0-minute wait, ended up being a 20-25 minute wait, but not that bad still. And then Tron's not gonna be on Long Island. I think the rain scared people away. So yeah, we're gonna have fun. Awesome. And after this, I'm gonna do the hopefully the Rainy Day Cavalcade. Hopefully it's raining a lot by then. That they do the Rainy Day Cavalcade. That'd be awesome. Just got out of Tron. It's very good as always. And now I'm gonna see if the Rainy Day Cavalcades happen. I don't think it is because it's currently not raining, but I will find out right now.
Tell me how long.
So I just watched the Rainy Day Cavalcade for the first time. That was awesome. I absolutely loved it. What a cool little experience that you could get when it rains at the Magic Kingdom, which it is going to rain quite often here. So it's a good little like last minute replacement. If you decide that the parade is unsafe, you can have Rainy Day Cavalcade. So that was really awesome to see. It was worth coming here just for that. That was excellent. Very cool. But I think I'm going to do Haunted and Small before I head out. So let's go.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't.
Got a small road line over there. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I'm so glad we did the Rainy Day Cavalcade. That was a lot of fun. And I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, everyone. Same face. Awesome.